Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some pretty cool things that your iPhone can do on iOS 17 that probably most of you guys didn't even know about. Now of course, iPhones are always packed with features and tricks that are hidden and a lot of users don't know about them and of course don't use them on their device, but most of these are actually pretty cool and very useful at the same time. Now we're starting with the Maps app. You probably know that on the Maps app on iOS 17 you're able to download maps so you can use them offline. Now of course, the way to download them, you go to map, you zoom in and you tap the download button. But there's another very easy way to do that. You simply go to your profile, you go to your offline maps, and you will have this button right here that says download new map. You just go there, and what you need to do here is just simply search for any city you want. Any map you need, you just search it right here. You can go ahead and find that map as easy as this. Of course, it shows you the size right here. You can zoom in and out, tap the download button, and you're good to go. You can, as easy as that, find any city you want. Let's say when you want to travel somewhere, you can just search for that city, tap the download button, and you're done. Now here's something pretty cool that a lot of users don't know about that they can do on the Photos app. You can see right here I searched for testing image. This is just a caption that I have added to this photo. You can see right here it says captions and it will find that photo for me. Now this is a very useful feature of the Photos app. You can actually add captions to any of your photos and then you can just search for them by using that name that you have entered in the captions, which is very useful and a very easy way to find a specific photo that you might need. So you can see right here we have the photo. Now the way to add captions, pretty simple. You swipe up on a photo, right there you will have the caption like section. You just, if I delete that, you can see it says add caption. You simply type there any name, any caption you want for that image, and then you can use the search bar on the Photos app to search for that caption and find that particular photo. Now, if you use the voice recording feature, the voice recording app of the iPhone, you will have a ton of features there that you probably don't know about. So even if you don't use it, after knowing these features, probably you will start using this voice recording app from Apple. So here I have a few recordings. If I go to one of them, you will see that I have the ability to tap on the three dots right there and then tap on edit recording. If I go here, I can go ahead and crop the recording or just delete any part of it that I want. So if I just tap right there, I can go here, zoom in and out, as easy as that, you can see. And if I want to delete that part that's highlighted, or if I want to trim it, I can do it from here, or I can just simply delete that part that it's highlighted. Now what's really cool is that you will also have these three dots right there. If we tap there, we can skip silence. So if we have a recording, let's say it's like 1 minute, but we're talking in that recording, let's say maybe 20 seconds, the part where it's just silence, it will actually remove that from the recording. That is really cool and of course very useful. It does that automatically for you and of course will shorten the recording just by removing the time on the recording. There is nothing said, it does that automatically for you. Next up, we're moving under the accessibility settings for a really useful feature. So head on to your settings under accessibility, go right here under touch, and then you will find here call audio routing. Now what you can do here is go ahead and turn on auto answer calls. So let's say you're working on something, you know that you will have your hands maybe doing something maybe dirty or something like that. You don't want to touch your phone. If you get a phone call, of course you want to receive it, you want to answer that call. Before starting doing something, you can actually just go ahead and turn on auto answer calls. You enable it right here, and then you pick here after how many seconds that the phone has been ringing, you want to answer that call. Of course, the default will be 6. You can go right here as low as 3 seconds, and then you can go as high as you want here, and at that time, your iPhone will automatically answer any call that you get. Now here's a very simple feature of the iPhone that I'm pretty sure a lot of people use daily but don't know that it actually has this like hidden trick. So if you go to the control center, we have the flashlight button here. Now if we swipe up here, of course we will turn it on and you can set the intensity right here. Now did you know that this actually will be memorized like that? So if I just use this once, at that level, at level 1, so we have 4 different levels, you can see that if I turn it off, turn it on back again, it will actually stay at that level. So if you think at times that the flashlight on your iPhone is not bright enough, you might have just used it once on the lowest setting and then it will stay that way, because if I move up here, let's say to the 3rd level, you can see the next time I turn it on, it will actually stay at the 3rd level. Next up, I will show you guys a very cool trick that you can do on your iPhone, a trick or a hack, whatever you want to call it. How to fast charge your iPhone in a very easy way. Now, when it comes to charging your iPhone faster, what you want to do is, of course, try to eliminate the things that are using the most power on your iPhone while it's charging. That way it charges faster. So here's something really cool you can do. Head on to your settings, go under the focus modes right here, create a new focus mode, tap on custom right here. Let's just choose an emoji because we're just like using this one to actually fast charge our iPhone. Let's use this fire emoji right here, enter a name here, just like that, tap on return, tap next. Now what you want to do here, you just scroll down here and tap on add filter, and we want to add a few filters here that are actually very useful. First of all, always on display, we want this off, of course, while charging the iPhone, so we charge the iPhone as fast as possible. Then go ahead and do this. Dark mode stays on dark because on the dark mode iPhones use less battery. And then we have a low power mode, turn it on because of course it uses less battery, that way it charges faster. And then we have another one, silent mode. Now this will be specific to different users, so if you use vibrations on the silent mode, then turn off silent mode while charging, that way you won't have any vibrations, and of course the iPhone will charge faster. Now once this is set right here, what we can do is head on to the Shortcuts app, and from here go to automations, new automation, and then find here charger. So right here where it says when connected, tap on run immediately, tap on next, and then right here new blank automation and search for focus. And then we have set focus. It says do not disturb, so we tap on it and we choose fast charge, the one we created. Tap where it says off and keep it on, and then right there tap on the done button, and now we're good to go. So currently I have a different focus mode turned on right there that I have while recording. We can see if I just plug in the device to charge, it will actually turn on that other focus mode, which actually will charge the iPhone faster, as you can see right there, because of course it is eliminating a few things that will consume the battery, turning on low power mode, reducing of course, actually turning off completely the always on display, turning on right here the dark mode, which means that the iPhone is using less battery, that way charging faster. Here's something pretty cool you can do with the spotlight search on iOS. So whenever you want to Google something, you'll probably use Safari or Google Chrome, whatever you use, to actually open Google and Google anything you want. Well, you can do the same from the spotlight search without having to bother opening a browser first. You just invoke the spotlight search, type anything you want. Right there you tap at the top and just goes automatically to Google. It will Google it for you as easy as that. You will get the results straight from the spotlight search without actually having to open any browser first. Of course, then it will open automatically on Safari. Now this feature right here is pretty cool. Whenever you're having problems in your car, you get a light on the dashboard, just take a picture of that light. And then on the Photos app, you simply swipe up. You can see right here it says look up auto symbols, and it will recognize all those symbols and will show you the results right here. So here we have all the results. We want to know anything about any of these results. We get here the light on the car, we tap right there, it takes us to the website where it actually explains everything you need to know about that light, and of course what it means and what's wrong with your car. And let's say here on Safari, here we have another very useful feature that is new to iOS 17, so a lot of people might not know about. Safari can read any web page for you. So you go to Safari, you go to web page, you have an article, but you don't want to read it, you want to hear it, just tap the AA button. Right there you will have a button that says listen to page. You tap right there, you can see it's on now. Safari will start reading that page for you. Again, you can tap right there. You will have the speaking rate here. You will have more controls if you want to. And of course, right here, you can go ahead, pause, play, and end the listening directly from here. Now, if you have an Apple Watch, you must enable this feature on your iOS 17 device. Head on to your settings under Control Center. You will have here a new button that Apple has added to iOS 17. It is called Ping My Watch. If you add this, you will have it on your Control Center, and from here you can ping your watch anytime you want. Anytime you cannot find your watch around the house, you simply tap here, it will ping your watch, and you will be able to find it very easily. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you learned something new regarding your iPhone today, and hopefully you will use any of these features on daily basis with your device. So again, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to smash that like button, and of course subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.